Betta Wall Hung Pan installation. Before you start to fit the concealed cistern into the wall, read the installation guide supplied in the concealed cistern box, as the cistern fitted into the wall will determine the height of the installed wall hung pan. Measure for placement of the metal frame or concealed cistern and chase over the frame into the wall, plaster and tile over. Make sure the inlet and outlet pipe and mounting bolts protrude to the correct length as per the toilet manufacturer's installation guide. Take the supplied bullets and thread them onto the bolts until they protrude 95 millimeters from the wall. Use your finger to spread Vaseline around the edges of the cistern outlet and waste outlet. Now you're ready to fit the pan to the anchoring bolts. Make sure the bullet slots face outwards. They'll fit into the yellow slots onto the back of the pan. The pan comes with fasten mechanisms already installed in the sides. You can use a 6mm Allen key to fasten these. Lift the pan and mount it onto the bolts. Tighten the fastening mechanism and then fit the plastic covers. The installed pan should measure between 40 to 42 centimeters from the floor, determined by the height of the concealed cistern installed. Next, install the seat with the seat fittings provided in the cover box by using the manufacturer's installation guide. Then, attach the pin brackets to the pan using the bolts provided and screw them loosely. Turn the brackets so the pins are on the outside and line them up with the holes on the seat hinges. Fit the seat cover and align the rim of the pan while slightly loose. Remove the seat and finish tightening the pin in the correct position. Now screw the brackets down. Place the stainless steel cover plates onto the brackets and fit the toilet seat onto the pins. Now, let's close the gap between the back of the pan and the wall. Use silicone gun to apply white silicone along the back edge of the tops and the sides of the pan. Use your fingertip to smooth down silicone and wipe away the excess with a damp cloth. Now that your wall hung pan is installed, it should finish off the bathroom with a neat modern look.